Hey there, children. Today, let's learn the lesson, the enormous turnip. The term enormous means large or huge, and the turnip, as you all know, is a root vegetable. The lesson, the enormous turnip, is included in Unit 3 of Marigold English Reader. So let's read the lesson. Once upon a time, an old man planted some turnip seeds. So here you can see an old man planting some turnip seeds. The turnip seeds grew. The turnip seeds grew and grew. I want to pull up the enormous turnip, said the old man. The old man pulled and pulled, but he could not pull up the enormous turnip. An old woman came. I will help you, said the old woman. The old man and the old woman pulled and pulled, but they could not pull up the enormous turnip. A boy came. We want to pull up the enormous turnip, said the old woman. I will help you, said the boy. The old man and the old woman and the boy pulled and pulled, but they could not pull up the enormous turnip. A girl came. We want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the boy. I will help you, said the girl. The old man and the old woman and the boy and the girl pulled and pulled. Up came the enormous turnip. We will help you eat the enormous turnip, said the old woman and the boy and the girl. And they did. So, children, this is the story of the enormous turnip. Here we understand how teamwork helps in achieving the most impossible tasks. The turnip was enormous or huge, so the old man couldn't pull it out by himself. With the help of the old lady, the boy, and the girl, he was able to pull up the enormous turnip. So remember, children, we can overcome impossible things when we join hands. Children, the theme of the story or the lesson, the enormous turnip, is unity is strength, or united we stand, divided we fall. Here we have come to the end of the lesson. Now let's discuss the new words from this lesson. The first new word is enormous, and it means huge or big. Using the word enormous, I have framed the sentence. The farmer grew an enormous turnip. The second new word is turnip, and it means a root vegetable. The usage of the word turnip is, I love the turnip curry my mother prepares. The third phrase included in the lesson is old man. An old man is an elderly male person. Using the phrase old man, I have framed the sentence. The old man sat down on a bench as he was feeling tired. The next phrase here is old woman. An old woman is an elderly female person. The sentence I have framed using the phrase old woman is, the old woman needed a walking stick to walk. The fifth new word is pulled, and it means to move in a specific direction. In this video, you will find a man trying to pull out a plant. The usage of the word pulled is the man tried hard to pull out a plant. Children, here we have discussed the new words and phrases from the lesson. Let's now discuss the comprehension questions. The comprehension questions from the lesson are included under the heading Reading is Fun. In this section, there are 4 questions. Let's discuss them one by one. The first question is, what did the old man plant? The answer for this question is, the old man planted turnip seeds. The second question is, why was it difficult for the old man to pull up the turnip? The answer for this question is, it was difficult for the old man to pull up the turnip as it was enormous. The third question is, who helped him to pull up the enormous turnip? Here the answer is, the old woman, the boy, and the girl helped him to pull up the enormous turnip. The fourth and the last question is, who ate the enormous turnip? The answer for this question is, the old man, the old woman, the boy, and the girl ate the enormous turnip. This is all I have for you in this video, children. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. And thank you for your time.